At Axminster Tools, your success is our business. We like nothing more than getting out to see you.
And we know how precious your time is. So we'll bring the Axminster Tools experience to you.
Someone who wants to talk to you about it is really, really helpful. It's nice to speak to someone that you know and deal with all the time.
There's no price on our advice. Call us, email us, or we'll come to you. We're always on hand.
And there's no job too big or too small for us to work together. Our team have a huge range of industry experience.
We'll work alongside you to learn about your unique business, share our insights, and find you a tailor-made solution.
With the relationship that we have with Axminster, you're always sort of the first point of call.
From big installations and workshop planning, to product demos and technical advice, think of us like a personal shopping service.
You focus on running your business,
and we'll find the answers you're looking for.
The follow-up and aftercare that we get from certainly the Axminster B2B team is top tier.
you know your business best. And we know tools. Make us your first call.
Get in touch today.
Axminster Tools. We share your passion.